How to change music on Instagram post after posting 2025. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Instagram and how you're going to be changing the music on an Instagram post after posting it in 2025. So to do this for yourself, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to your Instagram, and here, as you can see in this post, I have a song added. So to change it, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be going ahead and archiving this post. And once you archive this post, what's going to happen is that's going to remove the song out of it. Now, once you re-archive it, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to the archive section, okay, and we're going to go over to the post archives. Now, this is the post right here, and this was the audio, right? So if we click here, what you can do is you can pretty much go ahead and remove this song's audio in the easiest way from here. Now, once this is done, you're simply going to click on Show on Profile again. And once we click on Show on Profile again, what's going to happen in that case is that the audio will automatically be removed, and you can go ahead and edit in and add a new audio for yourself. And that is pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.